Hello and welcome to the basement. Well, I've got something a little different today. Normally I do stuff kind of like this, that you plug into the wall, it has some sort of electronic component to it, but I was down at the tip shop and I saw this old snowboard, and well, I felt sorry for it. It was sitting there all forlorn, and it's in a right state. As you can see, it's pretty sad looking. So I thought, well, I'll give it a home. I'll take it home, see if I can fix it up and get it looking brand new again. So as you can see, it's had a bit of a hard life, the old snowboard. It's filthy. It's covered in old sticker residue and all sorts of stuff. The bindings are all kind of loose and crappy. That one there. Now, I know it looks pretty bad. The reason I got it though, see, these edges are all rusty, but none of them have blown out. So sometimes these edges can, when you hit a rock, you can blow the metal edge right out of the board. But these all look intact. So we might get a few tools out and see if we can tidy it up. So we're just about ready to put it all back together. I was able to find a few more screws from, I've got some old bindings, so I rummaged through my parts and found some matching screws that are going to fill out the complement of 4 screws per binding. So it's all back together and looking like a snowboard again. Now, it's never going to win any beauty competitions because it has had a hard life. It's pretty worn around the edges, and well, I try to tidy up the best I can, but there's only a limit to what you can do with these things. But I'm happy that it's not going to end up in landfill. I've saved it out of the tip. Cost me a few bucks, but I think a couple of bucks well spent, and a little bit of elbow grease, and it's a pretty nice looking snowboard. The model is David Vincent. He was a pro snowboarder, a freestyle rider, and he had a range of boards featuring this kind of graphics, with the mushroom being one of his feature graphics. I guess there's only one thing left to do, and that's see how it works. Well, there's not a whole lot of snow here, but enough to test it out. Works okay. You've been in the basement. Have a great day.